Alright, I just started tearing into this. I did have a picture throw up of before, and this thing got hit, I'd say, in the worst place they could have hit it, which, as you can see, is right in this seam. Just split that seam basically all the way up through there. You can see it separating all the way through there. And when you come in here, you see daylight and follow that seam all the way up through there. Like, wow, that's crazy. I've never seen one do that or be hit. Like, all this is buckled, like hit so precise, I guess, on that seam for it to do that. Yeah. So that kind of changes some things, needless to say. You know, it was coming down to throwing a bumper cover on it and replacing the tail light and this bracket that helped hold the bumper. And I noticed when I was taking this off that you roll over to get the tail light out, that the studs for the tail light were actually pushing on that. So all this has been pushed up. Like, yeah, let's. You can see daylight through in there too. Oh man. Not cool. Not cool. I don't know. We'll see what we come up with.